Hello everybody. So today I am going to be looking at this Fitbit Verso that I got just a couple days ago. It was on sale, $150. So I decided I was gonna get a Fitbit. Yeah. Let's open this up, shall we? Fitbit. There is what I got. Yeah, there's my Fitbit here. Yeah. I guess this is the side you open. Surprisingly, it took a long time to actually get this Fitbit. I ordered this on Monday. Yeah, I ordered this on Monday, and it came to me on Friday. Even though I guess it's due to this supply lines. I was expecting that. For some reason I was expecting that it's going to ship from California, but no, it didn't ship from California. It shipped from somewhere in like Indiana or something. But anyway, here is the Fitbit itself, and then there is there's a little note for you. No, it comes with an extra strap. Comes with an extra strap, and then there is a product information booklet. I wonder what's in this box here. Oh, a charger. The charger for it. Oh, okay. This is the charger with its own Interesting. Oh, okay. I understand. So it's a USB. You have to plug this into a USB port somewhere to get it charged, and then I suppose you would have to yeah. And then I would have to lay the watch like this, like so, to have it charged somewhere. Wow, okay. That is interesting. I wonder if I can turn this on. Nope. I can't turn this on. Oh, maybe I would know. Maybe. Yeah, there's a whole sequence here. I have to actually go download the Fitbit app somehow. But it's a little bit disappointing that you can't just turn it on. Yeah. So now actually I have to pay attention and read this and figure out how this works. I actually have to pay attention to this and read this, see how this works. Ah. Right. Anyway, yeah. Well, that's the This is my Fitbit. A little bit anticlimactic, but whoa, wait, it turned on in Chinese. Look at that. It turns on in Chinese. Hold on a second. Let me put this on my arm. Japanese, and then Korean, and then German, and then yeah, it's pretty much just saying that if I want to get this on, I have to charge it. That's what it's saying. I have to charge my Fitbit to get this on. But it's interesting that I've not seen the English. Look at this. I haven't seen. I'm not sure there is where it starts there's an English section to start. Okay, there is it. Yeah, to start, download the Fitbit app after going through after scrolling through like a whole bunch of messages in foreign languages. Which, yeah, that's a little yeah, that this is kind of a little disappointing that, like, opening this up is it's not very exciting to open your Fitbit. So anyway, now I have to go download the app and probably have to charge this, and then yeah, that's my unboxing of the Fitbit Versa 2. Bye.